NIGP Minnesota. My name is Frank Kitchen, and I am excited because I've been invited to hang out with all of you virtually for your next chapter meeting. It's going to be going down May 30th from 8:30 in the morning till 11:30 in the morning. Now, I'm going to come on the back half of that meeting to present my program titled, It's Okay to Play, gaming your way to a culture that will fire up the performance of your team. Quite simply, we're going to be participating in performance improvement exercises. If you write those three letters down, you're going to recognize that it says pie, because you know what? Everybody enjoys pie, just like people enjoy games, because humans, we love interaction, we love engagement, we love fun, but you can have that engagement, activity, and fun teach you how to perform better in your workplace. So I'm going to be teaching you a variety of different games that you can use to elevate the performance of you and your team. And guess what? There'll be some prizes involved too. So make sure you come and have some fun. Then make sure this is going to be the most fun and engaging program possible. Here's what we need to do. Number one, I need you to go to Zoom right now. When you have your Zoom, I need you to upgrade your Zoom link right now, because Zoom is always doing upgrades. So to make sure you can get the best experience possible, make sure you upgrade your Zoom before you show up to that meeting. Number two, I would love for you to have your cameras on, because to make this the most impactful program possible, I need to see you. I need to see your engagement, your eyes, and if you can learn what we're actually teaching you. So do that. And then number three, the link that comes with this video, make sure you click that link to make sure that you get registered so you can show up to the meeting. You'll have all the information on what it takes to be there. So other than that, until I arrive, please go ahead and visit frankkitchen.com to learn a little bit more about me. You'll even find some free resources on my website to help you flip your mindset, fire up your performance, and cook up the results that you hunger for as a purchasing and procurement professional in the state of Minnesota. I'll see you on May 30th.